So as you can see, my package came via FedEx and I am super excited to work with this company. It's a new company to me. It's called Victoriaswig, and all of the information will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. So as you can see, all of this stuff falling out the box. I was not expecting any of this, you guys. So they did send a lot of stuff that, like I said, I wasn't expecting. They did send some wig caps along with a nice user's manual, and you know, to show you how to put your wig on if you want to learn how to do that. They sent a comb, which I needed another one, so thank you. And they sent one of these. Now I'm about to open it up because I wasn't sure what it was, but you guys, it's one of those bands that, you know, you use to lay down your edges after you just do the little swoopty swoop. So I love that. And it also has their logo all over it, so that was a plus. They did send that little cute plastic spatula, which I also needed to, you know, smooth down the gel or whatever glue it is I'm using. They also sent some tweezers. I needed new tweezers, you guys, along with like a concealer brush in case you want to add some concealer to the parting space. Girl, they hooked me all the way up. They probably added something else and I just didn't mention it, but just watch the video. You guys will see everything that they sent. These makeup sponges, which I needed more, and also a holder. So yeah, I had to do a little dance because I was mad hype. So this is the package that the wig came in, Victoriaswig, and oh my god, it's just so cute. Cute little satin bag with cute little, I don't know, it was just cute. Okay, so this is the wig. Yes, it's orange. You guys saw the intro. This wig is fire. Okay, it's a lace front, and it does have combs. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. So you guys can see, I did not have to adhere this wig to my head at all. The lace literally melted into my skin. It was a little light, I'm not gonna lie. It was a little light, but not too light to where it was really noticeable, because at this point that you see that I'm smoothing down that parting space with my Irresistible Me curling wand, I still didn't add any type of foundation to the parting space or the lace that's around the perimeter of my head. So this wig was super easy to work with. Like, I had no issues. As you guys can see, it holds a beautiful curl. I could have left it the way it was, but I really wanted to just zhuzh it up a little more, and I also wanted to see how well it held a curl. And the heat wasn't even that high, you guys. I think I had it on about 410. And usually I have my curling wand on about 450. So it took heat very well. I did not leave the wand on my hair too long. And yeah, you guys, like, look, this wig is so fire. I absolutely love it. I didn't cut any baby hairs at all. I don't know, I just combed them to the side. And that's what you guys see me doing now. I'm working with it. It really was an effortless wig. This wig does not shed, it's not tangling, it didn't have any weird smell. So I highly recommend this unit. If you guys are looking for a nice wig that's affordable, I would suggest going with this one. I absolutely love it. So you guys are interested, check down below in the description box. It'll take you right to it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell, you guys. A lot of you are telling me that you are not receiving my videos. You're like, where are you? Where have you been? And I'm like, girl, I'm here. You just got to turn on those notifications so you can see me. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.